How to call people on Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open up your Play Store. Now tap on the search icon. Now type Instagram. Now click on search at the bottom right corner. Now tap on Instagram and make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, go back to the home screen. Now open up Instagram on a device. Now wait for some time. Now at the top right corner, tap on the message icon. Now open up your chats. Now at the top right corner, you will find two options. If you want to audio call, simply tap on the phone icon. Or if you want a video call, tap on the video icon. And that's it. Give the permission. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.